At Black Cat Cruises, we've been working with the Hector's dolphins around Banks Peninsula for over 30 years now. We realise how special they are, we know how unique they are to New Zealand, and we want to help the rest of the country learn and help look after these dolphins as they are an endangered species. One of the best ways to do this is through education, so we've created this really easy to use educational resource for teachers who are dealing with children around level 3. It's got up to 9 lessons that you can pick up and take your classes through. This will include a visit from one of the Black Cat Cruises staff members to answer questions and lead the children through one of these lesson plans, and the option to come out for a cruise with us on Lyttelton Harbour as well. Now, all of these resource books are free. All you need to do is contact us and we'll be happy to send them out and get you started and help these children learn about these special Hector's dolphins who are just as kiwi as the kiwi.
Really valued the resource and found it quite user-friendly. We noted that how Black Cat had made sure that it aligned with the New Zealand curriculum and our focus on sustainability and being future-focused. The children were actually motivated and engaged in their learning, and then to begin thinking about what it is that they need to do to think about taking action for the protection and survival of not only the Hector's dolphin but our marine environment.
So these resources guide you through up to 10 or more lessons, taking the students through from learning about the sea to the Hector's dolphins and just why they are so special. Really easy to follow, Teacher's Guide gives you more in-depth information as well as the student handbooks which guide the kids through these lessons. So if you're a teacher with level 3 children, get in contact, get hold of these resources. It's all readily available and free. Just email us education@blackcat.co.nz and we'll be happy to help you.